Getting rid of old cable coatings becomes effortless with this clever mechanism. Shredding is a process in which a hammer mill grinds materials into fist-sized pieces, similar to a massive tree chipper used for automobiles and appliances. Electromagnets are widely used for handling and carrying ferromagnetic materials. Under this press, a Mercedes part easily turns into dust. This conveyor belt is the innovative system Chick-fil-A employs to efficiently move orders to the drive-thru booth, reducing employee stress and wait times. A paver is a construction machine used for asphalt laying on roads, bridges, or parking lot. It flattens and slightly compacts the asphalt before final compaction with a roller. Wave farewell to the inconvenience of cutting pineapples, thanks to this incredible gadget. With just a button press, this roll cutter performs miracles. Bendita Trumfa is a restaurant in Barcelona that makes these unusual chips. This is a factory that painstakingly crafts the ideal golf ball. This hand tool will make your task easier. Streets are left spotless and gleaming by this high-pressure mop. Lumberjacks can now bid farewell to back pain and calluses. The sound of cleaning rust with a laser can either be incredibly annoying or incredibly pleasant. This machine immediately presses cotton right in the field after picking. This compact hand tool swiftly cleans anything in an instant. Bamboo is a versatile wood suitable for various applications. This machine effortlessly crafts perfect swirls in a matter of seconds. It's amazing how quickly a pressure washer can restore metal's original shine. Pressured water helps cleaning the roof completely. Before it gets at your table, this conveyor belt journey is the most thrilling moment in a watermelon's existence. Watch as this press turns an old car into a compact hunk of metal by folding it like a sheet of paper. Witness the farmer's ingenious solution, a lightning-fast machine for tree pruning. Without a doubt, this tea leaf harvester delivers top-notch performance at its finest.